Wala nang jam yung kalahati, hindi na balance.
Hindi ko yun.
Oo. Matapang na yung ako, di ba? Wala nang jam.
Hi.
Cheese do you prefer, ma'am? We have mild cheese, strong flavor.
The strong flavor.
Pungent, a little bit skinky, ma'am. Medyo maanggo yung lasa.
Sige na, can I have a little bit lang?
This
Little
one
bit
is
lang.
long blanc of France. May
Sige,
flavor
babe.
sweet.
Yun, mahilig ako sa goat's milk.
Perong siya. Sige ba? Casino do.
Gusto ko yung matatapang eh.
This one lang, sir.
Sige, babe. Let's try that one.
The drink is made from vegetable ash.
Ooh, vegetable
Linis ang yan. By the way, for the goat cheese, ma'am, that is the best complement with lemon curd jam.
Okay, sige. Pagtabihin mo yung perfect.
Lagay na lang natin on the side, ma'am.
Okay, babe. Iusad-usad mo yan. Hawak mo baka mabitawan ko Oh, babalik na lang ako mamaya.
See you later po.
Madami pa. Ang layo ko pa.
Dried fruits.
Sige, babalikan ko yan. Ang layo ko pa. Love it. See you later. Konti muna.